Asus ROG Strix SCAR 16. Unity Systems Solutions. The Asus ROG Strix lineup was refreshed earlier this year at SEI 2024, and the new models were released to the public alongside its siblings in the Zephyrus lineup. The higher-end Strix SCAR laptop can be had with a 16-inch and an 18-inch display. The Republic of Gamers was built by those who love to play video games. All ROG designs and considerations come with gamers first, from the chassis design, lighting integration, software controls, and macro functions. These ROG-exclusive design features not only give you a competitive advantage, but they make sure you never blend in with the crowd. $330W AC adapter, output 20 volts DC. Asus ROG mouse. Processor Intel Core i9 processor 14900HX 2.2 GHz. Storage 1TB plus 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 Performance SSD. Memory 32GB DDR5 5600. Graphics NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 Laptop GPU ROG Boost, 2330 MHz at 175W, 2280 MHz boost clock plus 50 MHz OC, 150W plus 25W dynamic boost. 12GB GDDR6. For gamers who demand the absolute best motion and image clarity, the Strix SCAR 16 offers an incredible Nebula HDR display with a 240Hz refresh rate, 100% DCI-P3 coverage, and a staggering 1100 nits of peak brightness for stunning HDR gameplay. The 16-inch, 16:10 aspect ratio mini LED panel boasts over 2,000 discrete dimming zones, capable of displaying incredibly deep blacks for content that jumps right off the screen, whether you're watching a movie or playing a fast-moving arena shooter. Camera 720p HD camera. Connectivity. Stay connected in modern multiplayer games. A stable internet connection is imperative. The Strix SCAR 16 is ready to join the fight with a dedicated RJ45 port, as well as the latest Wi-Fi 6E wireless standard. On Wi-Fi 6E supported networks, enjoy access to the newest wireless band, free from clutter and interference from your home's other wireless devices, ensuring you never lag out again. When you need to plug into the big screen, the dedicated GPU powers an HDMI 2.1 port for the latest TVs and monitors, increasing total bandwidth from 18 to 48 gigabits per second, and supporting up to 4K 120Hz and 8K 60Hz content. USB Type-C ports allow for plenty of connectivity, one for DisplayPort and power delivery, and a second with Thunderbolt 4 support. The difference between victory and defeat can be separated by a single keystroke, so the SCAR 16 has a professional esports-grade keyboard designed to secure the win. Built to last, the Strix SCAR's keyboard switches are rated to last over 20 million presses, and N-key rollover guarantees your system will never miss command even if you're pressing multiple keys at once. The SCAR has a full-sized keyboard, with dedicated media controls and dedicated hotkeys that are tuned for volume and Armoury Crate controls by default, but can be customized for different functions or macros. And with per-key RGB and full Aura Sync customization, the SCAR will always have the looks to match your mood. Power. Meet efficiency power through any game or project with an Intel Core i9 processor 14900HX, featuring up to a 65W TDP and a hybrid architecture built from the ground up for Windows 11. With up to 8 performance cores and 16 efficient cores and Intel's latest application optimization technology increasing frames rates to up to 40% in supported titles, AAA gaming is flawless and streaming is effortless. Audio studio quality sound Dolby Atmos powered speakers include 2 tweeters and 2 downward firing woofers to create an authentic soundstage for your games. High-res audio ensures you hear your music in the same quality it was recorded. Two-way AI noise cancellation processes both incoming and outgoing audio to filter any errant background noises, making sure that your calls, chats and streams come through without distraction. Battery all-day endurance. The Strix SCAR 16 is ready to go the distance. Featuring a 90 watt-hours battery, the laptop can easily browse the web for hours away from the wall before needing a recharge. For flexibility on the go, USB Type-C charging is supported up to 100W. When charging using the supplied 330W power adapter, the SCAR 16 can recharge from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. ROG intelligent cooling to accommodate such powerful components. The Strix SCAR 16's chassis and motherboard were both designed to accommodate our high-performance full-width heatsink, with the copper fins even closer to the exhaust vents for more efficient cooling. This unique heatsink is built from 3 different sections, surrounding the motherboard with densely packed fins for a total surface area of 174,183 square millimeters. This design maximizes the available pathing for hot air to escape the machine and drastically increases overall cooling,